Oracle Apex 26.1 introduces Data Reporter, which is a dedicated reporting module alongside App Builder and SQL Workshop. Data Reporter gives business users the ability to create and explore reports directly without writing SQL and without opening Page Designer. In this demo, we'll see how business users can create and work with reports in Data Reporter using supply chain management datasets. First, log into your workspace. As a business user, you will only have access to the Data Reporter. Access to App Builder and SQL Workshop is not available. From the Workspace homepage, open the reporting application and click Create Report. Select a report type of your choice, then enter a name for your report. Click Next. Now you can select the source for the report. Business users have two options. Select an existing table or view if they already know the required data source, or to use the SQL Query option to generate the SQL query using natural language. For this demo, let's select the SQL Query option. Enter a prompt. Apex Assistant will automatically generate the SQL query based on your prompt. Review and validate the generated query, then click Next. You can now configure the report facets by selecting the columns that should be available for filtering and searching. Once the configuration is complete, click Create Report. To make the report available for end users, click Publish. Now, log in to your reporting application. The published report is available, and users can start exploring and analyzing the data interactively using filters, facets, and search capabilities.